Godfrey, how's the wedding going? I told him, well, at least now we have 200,000. And the guy asked me, how much is your wedding budget? I said 2 million. He said, ah, that's like you already have 10%. He said, you already have 10%. I said, yeah, that is so good. But when he said, I already have 10%, I was walking back home. And I was like, wait a minute, if I have 10%, that means that is tithe. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give this tithe back to the owner so that I will get the other 90%, which A. And so I told myself, I'm going to give back this money to the owner, who is God. So I went home, I shared with my girlfriend, I told her,